In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure dimensions effectively using Blender. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started with Blender, measuring components accurately is a skill that every 3D artist must master. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open Blender. If you don't already have it open, take a moment to fire up the software on your computer. Once you've got that running, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll find a myriad of tools and options, but what we're interested in today is the Measure tool. Go ahead and click on the Measure box to activate it. This tool will allow us to visually gauge the dimensions directly within our workspace, which is incredibly handy when you're trying to get precise measurements for your model. Now, with the Measure tool active, it's time to take action. Move your cursor over to the surface of the object you want to measure, click, and drag. As you do this, you'll notice a line appearing between the start point and your cursor. This line is your measuring guide. Don't worry if it's not perfectly aligned. We'll adjust it in the next step. Next, while holding down the Ctrl key on your keyboard, bring your attention back to the start of your measuring line. The Ctrl key is crucial here, as it allows you to snap the starting point of your measurement to the exact spot you desire on your object. This snapping feature ensures precision, allowing your measurements to be as exact as possible. Once you've snapped to the initial point, you'll find your measurement fixed and not easily moved out of place, which is what we want. Finally, let's wrap this up by handling the other end of the measurement. You'll want to click and snap this endpoint to wherever you wish to conclude your measurement on the object. This action solidifies the measurement, and you'll see the line now runs accurately from start to finish, highlighting the dimension of the segment or area you intended to measure. And just like that, you've completed the measurement of your object. In summary, using Blender's Measure tool isn't just about clicking and dragging, it's about leveraging the snapping feature to ensure accuracy. So remember, use the Measure tool to initiate, hold Ctrl to ensure precision, and snap both ends to get the exact dimensions you need. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your future projects in Blender. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment below. Keep practicing, and you'll master these techniques in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.